If someone handed you a glass of paint thinner, antifreeze, or pesticide, would you drink it? That is essentially what you are doing every time you drink anything with artificial sweetener in it. By definition, an artificial sweetener is a sugar substitute. It is synthetic and it is not natural. My name is Daleen Lane, and I have extensively researched and studied artificial sweeteners because I was a diet soda drinker for 20 plus years and was concerned about the ramifications to my health. Today, I want to convince you that saccharin, aspartame, and sucralose are artificial sweeteners that are made up of dangerous chemical compounds and pose a danger to your health. Let's start with the first artificial sweetener that was ever produced, saccharin. Saccharin, which is 300 to 500 times sweeter than sugar, is the first artificial sweetener ever produced. According to an article in Chemical and Engineering News, saccharin, known as the oldest commercial sweetener produced, was discovered by scientists when a researcher accidentally spilled lab material on his hand and then noticed an unaccountable sweetness when he later ate his dinner. Now that material is what we now call saccharin, which is derived from toluene. Toluene is described by the National Library of Medicine as being a toxic ingredient in solvents, paints, and other household products. Side effects that have been caused by saccharin include bladder cancer, kidney problems, and eye damage. According to A Dash of Formaldehyde, a public health research paper, in 1972, saccharin was removed from the FDA's generally recognized as safe list, but was left on the market for use. In 1997, a long time later, any product containing saccharin was made to carry a label stating use of this product may be hazardous to your health. That label has since been lifted, and saccharin is still found today in many everyday products such as commercially baked goods, soft drinks, and even lip balm and toothpaste. The second artificial sweetener I want to talk to you about today is aspartame. Aspartame, which is 200 times sweeter than sugar, is the most popular artificial sweetener in recent years. Aspartame was discovered in 1965 in a lab where the scientists were trying to develop an anti-ulcer drug. On discovering the sweetness of the chemical, the company changed its FDA approval from drug to food additive, and in 1974, the FDA approved aspartame for use in a few products. Aspartame is a dangerous chemical because when it is heated above 85 degrees Fahrenheit, now keep in mind, the human body normal average temperature is 98.6 degrees. It produces a breakdown product called methanol. The National Library of Medicine describes methanol as a highly toxic chemical used in antifreeze, solvents, and gasoline. Other side effects of aspartame include, but are not limited to, headaches, migraines, dizziness, confusion, and weight gain. Aspartame sells under the names NutraSweet and Equal and can be found in households across America in products such as soft drinks, yogurt, candy, gum, cough syrup, dairy products, hygiene products, and even vitamins. The last artificial sweetener I want to talk to you about is also the most recent one to be produced, and that is sucralose. Sucralose, which is an astonishing 600 times sweeter than sugar, is the most recent sweetener to be produced and was discovered in 1976. Sucralose is said to be made from sugar because it is derived from sucrose when 3 chlorine atoms replace 3 alcohol groups in the chemical compound of sugar. That means that sucrose contains chlorine. Chlorine is described by the National Library of Medicine as being mainly used to bleach paper and cloth and to make pesticides, chemicals, rubbers, and solvents. It is used to kill bacteria in drinking water and kills bacteria in swimming pools. According to Janet Hill in a Total Health journal, side effects of sucralose have been documented by the FDA as organ, genetic, and reproductive damage. Sucralose sells under the name Splenda and can be found in products such as soft drinks, juices, gelatins, puddings, chewing gum, and many health and fitness products. In conclusion, we have clearly seen that artificial sweeteners are made up of harmful chemical compounds and pose a danger to your health. Saccharin contains a toxic substance called toluene, which is the same ingredient found in paint thinners. Aspartame breaks down into methanol, the same poison found in antifreeze. Sucralose contains chlorine, which is a substance found in pesticides. So if you wouldn't drink a glass of paint thinner, antifreeze, or pesticides, then you shouldn't eat, drink, or use any product with artificial sweeteners in it, because artificial sweeteners pose the same dangers to your health. Thank you.